Hello family, hello friends, hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's always Anoa here, and this tutorial is the easiest and it's a very simple tutorial I'd like to share with you, so stay tuned. Looking forward to starting your own business or trying to occupy your hobby time. You can learn this how to do this simple earrings. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, I have finished with the very first pair, and I would continue with the second pair with you. I would like to start the second pair with you and show you how this goes, so please don't move, stay tuned. Materials are so few, as you can see. So I have with me here gemstones. I don't know the size, guys, so if you want to know the size, this is how it looks in my hands. Sorry, I cannot tell you the size, but they are really small. They are lesser in size than even the medium size itself. So please, if you know about gemstones, you can guess. Okay, and then as we move along, I'll show you the spacers. So this can also be used for bracelets as well. So it is used to space out your beads. Look at that, your gemstones or whatever beads you want to use. And also my leafy charm here, my pin, my earring stud, and then this is my round nose plier, and then my long nose plier. Okay, yeah, in case you are wondering what these are, please stay tuned and then you would understand what this is about. I'm going to pick my pin. The pin is really necessary. Without a pin, maybe you would need some kind of a thread or something, but the pin will make it rigid. As you see, it makes it very rigid and firm. Okay, it doesn't bend or anything. Yeah, so I'm going to open up my pin here, the bottom part. I can also do that with my long nose plier, but it's okay. And then secondly, I would just go through with this charm here, and then I close it up. Oopsies. Done. I'm not really a pro, I'm also learning just like everybody else, but for you, the beginner, I think I can teach you one or two. And then to move ahead, I would continue with my spacers. I'll go down with one spacer. Look how gorgeous this looks. And then the next is going to be my gemstone, like that. And then I add another spacer. Okay, and then my gemstone. At this point, you could even close it, but I would add another spacer, and then that'll be all, like that. Okay, the next thing to do is I'll add my stud, earring stud. So this is a tricky part for me even. So what I'll do is that I'll bend this over like that, and then I make a loop like this one here. Okay, yeah, so let me just oopsies, like that. Yeah, so I'm going to make a loop with this. Now I am I have made a very a cut here that I would use as a size for my loop, but because it's on camera, maybe you cannot see, so I'll make a loop like that. You need your size to be able to, so that your loop looks the same to the other pair. Look at that, and then that's it. See, I hope I'm not doing anything wrong. I think, yeah, just open again. See, I think I've locked my earring stud at this moment. Okay, so it's out. Okay, it should not be perfect, guys, but at least it should be a loop. Yeah, and then that's it. Look at that. Oopsies. Hey, why not coming out? Yeah. All right, so this is it, guys. This is really simple. So that's it, guys. I feel this is one of the most easiest and very simple earring that you can start and finish within minutes, especially when you want to make souvenirs for your party or something, you know. And I'm hoping this is quite helpful to my lovely viewers as well. Yeah, so I'm going to see you on my next tutorial. Have a nice time. If there's anything you want to ask about, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so have a great day. Bye.